Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to access your Azure DevOps organization. The easiest one is if you already know your organization name. All you have to do is to go on dev.azure.com/your organization name. Then just log in, enter your username and then your password. Let me just close these windows real quick. And that's it, we are now connected to my Azure DevOps. The second method is through the Azure portal. So let's head over there. Here you will want to look for a service called Azure DevOps Organizations. Just type that in the search bar. Then click on My Azure DevOps Organizations. This will show you all the organizations you have access to with your account. I only have one here for this demo account. You can click the dev.azure.com link shown on the screen to go directly to it. And finally, my favorite option, just go to aex.dev.azure.com. It takes you straight to the page where you can see and access all your Azure DevOps organizations.